Hey beautiful people, I'm Chipo Sarudzai and welcome to my vlog.
It's me, Chipo Sarudzai.
Today is a my opinion vlog and it's going to be on Are You Really You? We're going to be exploring that. And the reason why I wanted to explore this is that it's actually something that's quite personal to me. It's a question that I had to ask myself, and I didn't intend on going this deep this earlier on in my vlogs, but I think if we're not deep people, then we'll be shallow people, and shallow is not so cool. So I just wanted to explore that title, Are You Really You? With reference to what I've been seeing in society. And these days, when you talk of society, society is pretty much everywhere, but everywhere is in our pocket at the same time, if that makes any sense. Because you find that society is now online, society is on social media, and what you see in society is somewhat reflected on there. But is it really? So that's what I wanted to explore, is that are you really you? I had to ask myself that question because you find that when you look on platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Snapchat, you literally get snippets of people's lives and not necessarily the whole picture. I've been seeing all these people and I just think, oh my days, that girl is so pretty. She is so pretty. And then I think, oh wow, that's a nice shoe. Not necessarily on a materialistic, superficial level, but more just admiring, oh, that's nice. And then I also began to think about how other people might be thinking about it. Do we end up thinking, oh, I wish I could have my hair like that, or wow, that color's really popping on her. I wonder if it'll look nice on me. But at the same time, is it really what that person's life is about? Or is it what they just want you to see, or that section of their lives that they want you to see? My opinion is I think we should be careful about what we look at. And I've made a conscious decision to do that myself. You just take it with a pinch of salt, basically. Don't believe everything that you see. I don't think it would be in your best interest to do that because even when it comes to decisions in life, you find people are becoming more and more dependent on this falsehood that they see on social media, where they're literally seeing a snippet of someone's life and making the huge assumption that, oh, maybe that's what the rest of their lives is like, or the rest of their life is like. And behind closed doors is probably a completely different picture. People may be smiling, but they may be depressed. People may be depressed or overstating a situation, but actually be quite a happy person. So take everything with a pinch of salt. And I think that it's important for us to be true to ourselves and to enjoy being yourself, and that it's okay not to always have to go with the crowd. It's a cliche statement, not to be influenced by peer pressure and all of that. But peer pressure is more in our faces now because of social media, because you go around with it everywhere. Whereas before, I was watching a program the other day where someone was saying, "Oh, the difference between when I grew up back in the day and now is that the bullying would end at school, and then I could come home, hot meal, cuddle from my mom and my family, hang out with my family and my siblings. But now the bullying follows the kids at home. The bullying follows not even kids, even grown-ups get cyberbullied sometimes. The bullying continues because of social media. It follows you to your house. So it's almost like, when do I get a breather? So I think it's very important for people to even take a step back. Give yourself a break sometimes. Don't be constantly on there, constantly on your phone. Because I think with me, I found that the time that I actually stopped using social media intentionally, I get a chance to have a sense of self, because sometimes you end up like not thinking about yourself or what your opinion is, because you're constantly bombarded with these decisions that other people are making and seeing what other people are doing. um, and that can somewhat influence you. That will bring you to the question, are you really you, or are you allowing yourself to be influenced by what other people are doing and saying, which might not necessarily be a true reflection of who they really are? So I would say, in my opinion, do yourself a favor and give yourself a break. Don't try to live up to the expectations of what other people are thinking, but just be the best version of yourself. And that's all I wanted to say, really. I hope I've encouraged someone out there to just relax a little and to take a chill pill and just be you. I hope I've helped somebody today and that I've just given you some food for thought about, are you really you? Please send some questions and put some comments below. I would love to hear from you guys on what you think about what I'm talking about are you really you? I want to hear from you guys and really hear what you guys think about this topic. And I'm Chipo Sarudzai, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And remember, you are most beautiful when you are you.
I don't mind being me. Love it, love it. It's me, Chipo Sarudzai.